Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to recover a deleted board on Pinterest. First of all, you can open the Pinterest application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply select the board that you want to delete. I can select this board. Now you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and now you can tap on edit board and header image, and now you can just simply scroll down. You can see the option delete board, tap on it, and now you can tap on delete forever. And if you want to recover the deleted board, you can see the option restore here. In my case, you cannot see the restore option in my screen. If you don't see the option, you can just simply update the app. After updating, the restore button is shown in your screen, and now you can tap on it and your board is recovered. And it is a way you can recover your deleted board on Pinterest. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.